Welcome dear student. Today we starts with the saline purgative.
Aim of practical is effect of saline purgative on the frog intestine.
Now requirements are in that animal, frog, reagents 0.9% to 0.45% of saline which is a hypotonic, 27% magnesium sulfate which is a hypertonic, and frog ringer solution which is a isotonic. Now instrument used which is a frog's board, pithing needle, dissecting instrument, needle with the thread, tuberculin syringe with the needle. Now principle, the saline purgative are the salt comprising of highly chained ions and do not cross cell membrane freely. They remain inside the lumen and retain water through osmotic force. They increase the volume of the content of the bowel, stretch the colon and produces normal stimulus for contraction of the muscle that lead to the defecation. Now procedure, first of all, pit the frog and place it on a dissecting board. Expose the abdominal cavity and carefully trace the small intestine. Make the small intestine into 3 compartments by trying thread of different colors in such a way that no fluid can move from one compartment to other. Now inject 0.2 ml of each hypotonic solution into first compartment, 0.2 ml of hypertonic solution to second compartment, and 0.2 ml of isotonic solution into the third compartment. Now wait for 20 minutes and record the observation. Here is the procedure for effect of the saline purgative. That's why we use the frog intestine. We use this saline purgative as a constipation. For that we have used to frog intestine. For the compartment of
This is a purgative.
we have used the 3 compartment, compartment 1, compartment 2 and the compartment 3. For the compartment 1, we have to use the hypotonic solution which is 0.19% NaCl. Compartment 2, we use the hypertonic solution 27% magnesium. Next one is the isotonic solution which is a frog ringer solution. We have used in the compartment 3. Now we have to wait for 20 minutes. After that the 20 minutes, the compartment 1 gets shrink. We use the hypotonic solution. Compartment 2, in that we have used the hypertonic solution. They get the swell. And compartment 3, in that we have used the isotonic solution which is a frog ringer solution. In that there is the no changes. It means this hypotonic solution fluid moves from gastrointestinal tract to circulation. And in hypertonic solution, the fluid moves from circulation to the gastrointestinal tract. Now here is the observation table. First one is the hypotonic solution which is a 0.2 ml of 0.9% of saline solution. Compartment is first compartment and effect is they get the shrinker. Next one is the hypertonic solution 0.2 ml of 27% magnesium sulfate. Second compartment is used and they get swallowed. Third one is the isotonic solution. They use the 0.2 ml of ringer solution. Third compartment is used and effect is no change. Next one is the conclusion. In that the hypotonic solution caused the fluid to move from lumen into the circulation by process osmosis, thereby shrink the tissue. And this hypertonic solution moves the fluid from cells into the lumen and swell the tissue. An isotonic solution did not show and fluid movement across the instrumental membrane. Now result is the effect of saline purgative on frog intestine was studied. Here is the question back. What is meant by the saline purgative? Now, the saline purgative, which are a salt containing highly charged ions that do not readily cross the cell membrane and therefore remain inside the lumen or passageway of the bowel. By retaining water through osmotic force, saline purgative increase the volume of the content of the bowel, stretching the colon and producing a normal stimulus of contraction of the muscle, which may lead to defecation. Some common use salts are magnesium sulfate, magnesium hypoxide, sodium sulfate, and sodium tartarate. Next question: what is the therapeutic action of saline purgative? These saline laxatives are used for acute treatment of constipation in the absence of bowel obstruction. The agents may also be used as a part of bowel evacuation protocol for invasion procedure or the surgery. These agents increase the peristaltic activity of the colon by promoting osmotic retention of fluid. Next one is, what is the difference between laxative and purgative? These laxative promote the elimination of soft form feces, whereas purgative produces more fluid evacuation. Now these are total of the saline purgative. Thank you.